Today I'm working on a slim PS2. I had gotten this thing from a flea market a couple summers back. It was untested, didn't know if it worked, didn't come with power cables. Ended up getting it for like 10 bucks, so I figured it was worth the gamble. It's a little bit crusty, so let's get it cleaned up and see if it's working. This is the only PS2 Slim that I've ever owned before. I grew up with a fat boy, so I was pretty happy to get my hands on one of these. Definitely is a much easier system to work on than that last one I did a couple weeks ago. For this guy, it's bath time, and it really didn't take all that long. That hot water and soap really just melted all that dirt away. As I record this video right now, I just heard news of the PS5 price hike, and I'm kind of disgusted. Xbox did the same shit last year, and I felt the same. I can't understand. We're what, 5-6 years into this generation, and they're raising the prices? That's never happened before. And yeah, look, like, games these days are pretty, and that's cool, but as a whole, this generation ain't really been shit. I'm not saying everything's bad. There's definitely been good games that have been released, but when you compare this to last generation, and especially to the 7th generation of consoles, man, you can't even compare them. Outside of remakes, what has this generation really done? And just the consoles themselves, like when I booted up my new Xbox and I realized the dashboard looked the exact same as the Xbox One, I was pretty pissed off. Part of the point of a new generation is for things to feel different, look different. And what, we're on the 9th generation now? We just didn't get that. I don't know, I could bitch about that all day long, but look at how pretty this PS2 turned out. I was gonna test it with Def Jam, but my copy was damaged, so we're gonna go with some classic RE4. I loved all the Resident Evil remakes, but classic RE4 has that Capcom feel that you just can't replicate. It's been a while since I've played this shit, man. It took me a second to get the controls back under my fingers. So it looks like my $10 gamble paid off, because this thing plays great. Many thanks to Disc Replay for having the power cord in stock. If you've watched this long, I appreciate it. Go check out some of the other consoles I've worked on and follow along for more. My goal is to eventually do all this work for people 100% for free, so your support is definitely needed. As I was playing this, I realized my controller was a little dirty and one of the rumble packs was just rattling around, so maybe that's the next project. Thank you, love you, goodbye.